Welcome to our salon, where we rescue and care for pets. Here's the first call. Answer quickly, someone needs our help. Someone found a pet that needs our help. We know where it is. Let's hurry to help. Follow the pointers to find the pet. We found it! Open the pet carrier. You did it! Now move the pet into the pet carrier. Great! Now load it into the car. Everything is ready. Let's take the pet to the salon. The staff is ready for the new pet. The patient has a broken leg. Let's help. Use the scanner to find the problem. Apply a splint. Now wrap the leg with bandages. Well done! Let's give the patient a sticker. In a couple of weeks, the leg will heal. Get well soon!